So, oh my goodness, so today's video, we're going to show you how to repair a lawn, a brand new lawn, 4 weeks old, which has been peed on by Benji, but the grass has died, and I think the only way to fix it is by digging out that patch and replacing it with another bit of sod that was left over from the last time that we just planted in a bit of the garden. So as you can see behind, Owen's in the good grass, and there's the grass that hasn't been done there. So we'll show you the patch now. So here is the patch. As you can see, it's the second cut, and it's lovely here, and it's completely died there from Benji. And I think there's another spot there. So this is after a month. So them, I think they might be okay, I don't know. But we'll do this big one first. Oh, and what I'm going to do is basically dig that out. Hold on a second. Dig that out, and this is the spare bits that was left over. So we're just going to dig that bit up there. As you can see, that's the bit was left over. So we're going to dig that up and put it over there. And Owen's going to show you a bat with dialga Pokemon, and he's going to hit it with his baseball bat slash golf club. And did you just take a big hole out of the lawn there? Did you? Yeah. Seriously? We're repairing the lawn, you're wrecking it? Right, go, careful.
Okay, let's go. Just don't ruin the lawn anymore. Nope, still not. Right, let's go, because I need to get this done before dinner. Cars don't even think of peeling my lawn. Right, go, hurry up. Go.
Oh, very good. So, here we are. I'm going to dig this as square as I can. And do I have a clue what I'm doing? No, I absolutely do not. But I laid this, and it came up all right. So if I dig too deep, I've got a bag of compost there to fill in the bottom. Oh, my treasure falling down. Take my belt. There we are. So if this all lifts out in one bit, it'll be my stencil for the other bit. That's looking good. There we are. There's this bit out. Just need to go over here and get a replacement bit. And here we are. I've set this bit that I cut out down here on the good grass, which isn't peed on, and I'm going to try to dig this bit out and replace it. And same again. I'm guessing I need plenty of water for 3 weeks. Bit of food, and most of all, no pee. That doesn't sound good. So there's that. Not much roots there. I think I'll plant that bit to see if it does regrow back. Just making sure this is deep enough. You okay, Owen? So there we are. That looks a bit healthier. Plenty of worms. So bring this over and take off the excess muck over there. So here is the bit that we took out just to see if the grass is actually dead or what will grow back again. So there's that planted where we took the new turf out. And here's another problem that's just happened. Tara has just ripped up a bush because she wanted a stick to play with. And Daddy shouted at you, didn't he? I'm sorry. Here's a stick. Let me see if I can get this stick here. Oh my goodness. There's a stick. Here you are, Tara. You have that. Now. Oh my goodness. Now. Do you replant this? Oh my goodness, it's just completely snapped off there. I do not know whether you just replant it. What's the worst that can happen? So here's our sunflowers that we planted the other day. We replanted them from the wee pots. What do? You just stick this back in the ground. Hope for the best. It'll be there for the meantime, and I will find out, can that be saved?
This is how you replant bushes that are taken out by dogs by Daddy. He doesn't know, so don't listen to him.
Yep, so here we are, and I'm going to have to dig that a wee bit down more. Ooh. So here we are. And here's a professional garden kneeling board that's made by Connor. We have another video up and it shows Connor and Rachel smashing up a old cabinet thing. Well, this is the bottom of the cabinet thing, and I never throw anything out.
And I remember.
It was recycled to this.
And I remember me and Daddy were doing. I was doing an obstacle course that was in it. I jumped from the top, like the top of where the slide is. Jumped onto it and I just broke.
So.
Why does it smell like poo?
It smells like poo, doesn't it? Do you know, it does. I'm going to have to keep my hand. I think it does really smell like poo. So, yeah, disgusting. So let me see if this fits. We'll keep the worms and all in it.
Yep.
Have I dug too much or not enough?
How are you going to get that in?
I'll squish it in and then dig deeper if it isn't. Or I've got the bag of compost for if it isn't.
And then you can just dig it up. If it's too big after you put the compost in.
So let me see.
I think that's a bit. I think that's perfect.
No.
That's
It's,
perfect.
there's Atkin down there. This needs to be level here.
I'm digging
That's not going down enough. There. There we are.
Daddy had to
So the only way to get this done properly to make sure it's level, I think, as long as the edges are tucked in, they'll not dry out. So what I want to do is use my professional board here.
use my professional board.
See,
I want something small.
there we are.
I remember when we smashed the old printer.
There we are. So that seems
Doing alright.
to put a burr patch there, but that should be
Bit of
okay.
ball patch here.
That should be okay. So we're gonna water that, and
And Daddy's not gonna soak me with the hose.
that should be okay. So that's us. We just need to now, as usual, tidy up. I will put the muck onto our professional board
What do you think, professional board?
because we're professional gardeners.
And we've got a board that we smashed up of an old fancy box.
There we are. Hopefully this will grow back, and we will do a progress update in a couple of weeks. So there we are, and that's us away now because we have to go and get dinner. So
Well, I've already got my dinner.
as Gary's professional gardening tips 101, over and out. Okay, bye.